Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's day 1 of quarantine, working from home, and I'm excited. It's like midday now and I haven't even eaten breakfast, but let me go to my little office. Well, not really little office, but yeah. So it's 12:38 and I haven't even eaten breakfast yet because when I got up I had to, you know, tidy up the place and prepare for some men that came to my apartment. Well, I reinstalled the internet because the internet that I had, let me show you guys, the internet that I installed today, I had it before but I canceled it because I wanted to have like a portable modem. I travel sometimes for like 2 hours or more than 2 hours, so I need internet on my phone all the time. So whenever I need to like watch a video to kill time while I'm traveling, then yeah, so that's why I got this modem and I canceled the one at home. But with this now, I've been struggling because every time I'm using up the limit, and then once I use up the limit, it's hard for me to use the internet. I had to reinstall the internet that I had before because nothing was wrong with it. It was high speed, it's unlimited and everything, but this one, it has a cap on it. It's like, I think it's 10 megabytes for 3 days, I think, I'm not sure. But anyways, when I'm uploading videos to YouTube, it's a struggle for me to upload because it's so freaking slow, especially because I use the internet a lot, so I'm always over the limit. So once I'm over the limit, that's when it starts to move slow. So what I am thinking of doing is I'm gonna still keep it because, like I said, when I'm on the go, I need portable internet. I need to watch my videos to kill the time, and yeah, and I need internet at home. I need strong internet at home, so when I'm uploading the videos, or like now that I'm off, this is one of the main reasons why I even got it, because I'm off and I have time, because today my company didn't send me any work to do, which I don't even know what kind of work would they send me to do though. Like a refresher training, something like PowerPoint to go through, or lesson plan to do. Oh, I'm cold. I think that's what they would send. They haven't sent anything to me so far, which I'm glad. So today I was just preparing for the men to come. 3 of them came and 1 of them spoke English, so he did like the translation and stuff. So let me tell you guys, the prices. This, I think I'm paying like almost 5,000 yen per month, and this goes to my credit card, my Jamaican credit card. The phone that I have that I'm using to record now is like, I think almost 9,000 yen, because I'm paying for both the mobile and everything. So the phone is from my company, so it's deducted from my salary. And then the internet that I have, that I got today, that is 5,200 plus tax. Why I got it so cheap is because I took a bundle deal. So I got internet plus cinema, they call it cinema. So pretty much I get access to an app that I can watch movies or series or whatever, like Disney movies, Japanese type of movies and stuff like that. I took that plan, but they had like a internet and landline or internet and TV. I don't have a TV and I don't want a TV, so I didn't take that plan. If it was the TV, I think it would have been like 6,500 with the TV and the internet, and I think, or 6,000. And then with the Wi-Fi only, it's more expensive, plus I have to pay an installation fee. I took the bundle deal, even though for some reason, because my credit card is a Jamaican credit card, the app store won't allow me to download the app so that I can get access to the app to watch the movies. So I don't know, but it doesn't matter because I have Netflix, so I can use that. And I have my high-speed internet. Oh, by the way, this internet is 5G. 5 freaking G. That's so crazy, but in God I trust. But yeah, anyway, so for the plan for the day, I need to go make my breakfast because, like I said, when I got up, I took a shower. I had to tidy up and ensure that, you know, I look proper. People come me yard, me care, you know. Yeah, so they were here for like, maybe, what time is it? They were here for over 1 hour and a half, and they just left. I think it's better for me to go to the convenience store now and just get that over with. I need water, so I'm gonna try and buy like maybe 4 bottles again. I have water, you know, I have water, but I just think I need more because I'm not gonna leave my apartment until Saturday maybe. Yeah, let me not push it with this hoodie. Next thing they think I'm coming to rob the place. All right, so my purse. I should have worn my water shoes because out here is wet, but that's fine. I'm just going right there. Right, it's literally right across the road. You can't record in the convenience store. Alright guys, I'm back. So I bought 4 bottles of water. That's what I could manage. And now I'm going to make my breakfast / lunch because I'm hungry. This is bread with egg, avocado and tomato, and this is Lipton tea. I made a list of stuff that I want to do each day. I'm not gonna show you guys. Where's the book? It's over there still. I want to be as productive as I possibly can. I started doing exercises because I need to tone up my body. So I did like a 5 minutes workout because today is like the first day. I haven't been to the gym in almost 2 years. I have some stuff to do today. I don't think I'm gonna be getting any work to do from my that's great. So I'm gonna do I have some stuff planned for myself, so I'm gonna just do some research right now and do some stuff, make the day productive. The day is almost over. It's what, almost 1 o'clock or maybe 1 o'clock now. I will be uploading videos every day or every other day for 1 week because I think I have enough content where I can post, you know, regularly. If you guys have any more video ideas, you can share it with me. The ones that you have already posted, I see them and I've already recorded some. I just need to edit them and then I'll publish them. So give me some time please. If you have already given me a specific topic to do, please give me some time. But if you have any more questions, any more video ideas, you can always leave them below. I'm working from home until maybe May 6th, depending on the situation with the whole coronavirus thing. But now I'm going back to work on the 6th unless there is some form of development. Yeah, so I will be working from home, so maybe I'll get tasks to do some days. But for now, like today, I'm free. I got some emails but not anything where I need to, like, you know, any pressing thing to do. So yeah, I'm gonna just try my best to utilize the time. Like every morning I want to drink water, which I had already started, but you know, sometimes you start something and it's like, so that's why I even went to buy some more water because I don't want to be out, but I always have water to drink because I don't drink the pipe water here. And then after that I want to exercise and then, you know, start my day. So that's my plan. And then I have other stuff that I plan throughout the day that I'm gonna be doing each day, ensure that I am productive. Also, I want to watch Dynasty on Netflix. A friend has been telling me about it. I'm gonna be watching maybe like 1 episode per day because I'm someone, when I'm watching a series, is like I have to watch everything one night, especially if it's a very entertaining movie or series. I want to see everything. So that's me. So I'll not go to bed, I'll just stay up for the entire night and just watch it, and that's very bad. So I'm gonna try and not do that with this new series. Yeah, and I have some more series that I need to watch, but I don't really wanna, you know, because that's like a waste of time for me, and I have so much other stuff that I wanna be doing with my time. But that's 20 days and I'm not leaving my apartment until Saturday. So Saturday I might go over my friend's house to pick up something, but no unnecessary traveling for me. I don't need anything from the supermarket. Yeah, so that's that. So this is day 1 of working from home, trying to make the best of it. And so far I've done 3 tasks, so I need to do a lot more. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you have any video ideas, because I want to be posting every day or every other day, let me know in the comment section so that I can utilize this free time. Until next time, bye guys.